Morning.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good. Bright and early.
Really? Is it in the morning there or it's an afternoon? Afternoon, right?
It, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my God! You just you were sleeping, right?
Oh no, I woke up around 8 o'clock, so not so bad.
Ah, yes. Not so bad. So, how are you doing today, Makida?
I'm feeling really good today. Glad to be here speaking with you.
Yes, me too. I'm super glad. So, why don't you start by introducing yourself to the audience? Since there are some people here, but it will be in the page and people will watch it.
Okay, my name is Makina Waterman. I'm a marketing consultant and writer. I've been running a business for 6 years. It's called Top Writing Services Inc. And
Uh-huh.
I specialize in helping personal and business brands with marketing problems. Some of the things that I focus a lot on with the tips I share on social media is, building your reputation on the internet. This can go for e-commerce, any kind of business, and really creating content that educates, entertains, and inspires people every day.
Yes, that's super great. Oh my God, I'm really inspired by you.
Thank
I
you.
mean, really great stuff. I'm really interested in marketing. That's why when I see people like you, I'm just impressed.
Oh, thank you.
Good luck
Uh,
in all of the rest of marketing the brands and so on.
Yeah, it's a new day. I find that this year it changed many industries, including marketing. And
Yes.
I find that more consumers and buyers, they're really looking for honesty, transparency, and openness from companies. So it'd be interesting to talk more about this today.
So, since you know a lot about marketing, I want to ask you how can my cab, like be in the market street that is we want to be more famous. We want people to know about my cab in all around the world. We want her name to be and well known my cab. Oh, we know my cab.
Okay, well, what you're doing is great so far. I think educational, peace, and entertainment really piques people's interest on the internet. I'll give you an example like Nike obviously is e-commerce. They have their stores and then of course they have their website where they sell their shoes. But I find with Nike, they don't really sell the shoes. They sell the lifestyle. They sell, this is what we believe in, strength, courage, resilience, hard work, determination. So if there's any way that an e-commerce seller can focus on the mindset or the benefits of what the consumer would experience if they were to buy the products and be a part of the organization, that's like the first part you would want to start with.
Yes, of course. Agree. A really great advice. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, let's come to the point about my cab. My cab, as everyone knows, is all about Africa. The products for African people, we deliver them for African places. Now, let's talk about the African designers, how their name can be well known. Like I know, as I said, in a party, a girl that wear a lovely dress, when you ask her where you get that dress from, they will say like a well-known fashion designer, but not African one. They don't know that much. Although African designers can do really great stuff. Example for that is my cab. If you have visited the website, you'll see that many dresses and suits, all of these are really great stuff. So how can they be well known?
I really believe right now the attention is on several different apps. TikTok, I think, is amazing. I see Afro print designers from America and even Africa, with models walking in the video to very catchy music. I think LinkedIn is also a really good pace too. LinkedIn is not what it used to be. It's not an app for job seekers anymore. I see fashion designers, models even promoting who they are just with their story. Instagram is also very great too because people like pictures and videos on Instagram.
Hmm?
And Yeah, and even Facebook, but more Facebook more for advertising. So if somebody doesn't have a big budget, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram are great apps to just show your products, show the lifestyle of what it could feel like if they're wearing your dress, and things like this would definitely go a long way.
Okay. So, maybe LinkedIn and these apps are now more famous because of coronavirus, right?
Yes.
And people are buying online, they are shopping by online, online shopping because of they can't go to the mall, they can buy these kind of stuff which they see by the eye. They only see it in the app and then buy them. So how can online? How can we encourage more online shopping for
Well,
people?
right now on Instagram, there's a section. There's a little shopping cart on everybody's page. They can upload photos, but I believe they first have to have it on the Facebook Marketplace. So
Yes.
definitely take advantage of that. Facebook Marketplace is a good opportunity too, and for no more than $150 Canadian or US, somebody can put an ad, target the right audience on Facebook as well. And TikTok, they have some new technology coming soon. Walmart just recently is a stakeholder now. So they're thinking about creating videos where people can wear merchandise like this. So people can press the merchandise and it goes right to, a page where they can potentially buy. So definitely want to be on sites that encourage e-commerce buying, Etsy, Shopify, Amazon. But if you're trying to create a relationship directly with your buyer, I would say TikTok, Instagram, Facebook are great places to sell and build an audience as well.
Yes. I think that TikTok and LinkedIn and Instagram are the best.
Yeah.
Yes.
I agree.
Yes. Thank God. You're the one who knows. So, for how is your relation with Africa? You know?
Well, my father, he's Nubian tribe, and my mother, she's from the Caribbean, but she's been to Ghana 3 times. She's going again next year. My boyfriend, he is from Ghana as well, and I do primarily spend a lot of time with people born in the continent. And one of the big things that just keeps coming up is um, well, concern with governments, some Nigerians. Then I have, Ethiopian friends as well who they want to go back home. Some of them are trying to build homes back home and just build some kind of a foundation so that when they get older, they don't have to stay in places like Canada and the UK where it gets so cold. Like nobody wants to be here when they're in their 60s, right? So, but the big conversation too I see on the internet is just Africa is the future of technology. I see Twitter wanting to build relationships with Rwanda and different locations, and I do see some concerns with that. But I think if globally, if we work together as a team, me being here in Canada, just having this conversation with you in Sudan, I
Yes.
think that we can build it.
Who could have
Yeah,
imagined that? Actually, one
yeah,
of my dreams was to go to Canada. I wanted to go live there, work there, spend the rest of my life there. But after I worked with my CAP, I noticed that a lot of places and countries in Africa that are worth more than Canada. I saw pictures for Zanzibar, Cote d'Ivoire, and these kind of countries. I'm really impressed, and I think I'm gonna change my idea about Canada.
yeah. You should. The future is Africa. Everybody knows it. The Europeans know it. The Americans know it. That's the Chinese know it. That's why they're trying to get their stake in Africa, and it's the future. It really is.
Yes, although all these problems that happened here, the revolutions, every country has her own problems, but they focus on the future. We are expecting a lot from Africa, and I'm really hopeful for that.
Yeah, me too. I'm looking forward to the millennials and the next generation working together. It's very sad some of the things I see, but I'm also very excited. Like Rwanda's economy is booming, and you
Yeah.
know, I just think the youth wants change, and it's good to want change because you can want change and do nothing. And but I think that it's time to do something. Like the governments have to change, and at the same time too, Africa is a beautiful place. I know we hold the resources on the planet. We hold everything, the gold and everything else like this. So I think the world is going to start looking to Africa. I think they are, but the world globally will start looking to Africa for answers, and we have to work together though globally.
Yes, of course, exactly. And when I talk about the companies that must be famous, I don't mean only, like fashion companies that design only clothes. I'm talking about even, about food when we come, like a cake company, a cake, like a company that produces biscuit, for example, or something like this. Not only the big stuff, so they can only be in the street by the marketing online, or are there other advices so they can be more famous?
I'd say locally, if I know COVID is hard for some nations, but if there's a way to get out into the community and create events, doesn't have to cost you much. And if you have the resources like companies to sponsor you, definitely do that and
First,
bring your model, bring your clothes, do music events, do cultural events, talk about Africa of change and have little booths set up so that people can come to your booths, see your clothing, and then follow you on Instagram. I think online is good, but I always tell people, even in this time, go out into the community, network with people. I think in Africa it might be easier to network with like a CEO of a company than it would be here. The mindset is different. So if you know someone that knows someone, ask the business owner, can I meet with you for coffee? Can we go out for lunch and have conversations about how the both people can help each other and just build a name for yourself and your community. And once you're doing good, the people learn, people know, like people start talking about you, and the next thing you know, someone in Kenya knows about you, or someone in Djibouti knows about you. So just start off with the community, do your best, show up, be involved with the community, try to create change, stand for something, right? Because people want to buy from companies that stand for something. And so if you stand for something, then you're building your business and a relationship, around, in your area. Your name will get across the continent slowly but surely.
so one of the three keys is to get a sponsor and
Hmm.
advertising and get involved with people from all around. Like
Yes.
that's great. That's great. I think I'm gonna start my own business right now.
Oh, you should.
Oh my God, thank you, Makita, so much for your time. That's all for today, and I am really, really hoping to see you next time. And these were really, really great advices. Thank you so much, and
You're welcome.
I'll see you next time. Okay.
Yeah. Hope to see you soon. Invite me anytime. I'll definitely come back.
Okay. Thank you so much, Makita. Bye bye.
Hi, everybody. Bye.
So that's all, you guys, for today. A really great advices from Makida. I'm sorry I have talked in English only. I didn't translate anything she said. but كانت بتتكلم عن إنه كيف أفريقيا